So today I'm going to show you some of my homemade squishies. So 2 of them I made today. So this one. And it's a donut. But you might not be able to see the hole. And it's supposed to be a flower. But I don't know. This squishy bun. It's really cute, I think. And then this one I got from another YouTuber, but I thought it was really cute, so I used it. And I made another one for my sister's friend, because she wanted one, so yeah, and it's a donut too. So that's it, and yeah, okay, bye.